Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number E1689P. Only 3,000 miles on this Cherokee. It's a one owner, clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear. Upgraded 9-speaker sound system with subwoofer. Body is free of dents or dings. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 3,000 miles with driver information system. Operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, heating and air conditioning, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. And again, only 3,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.